In a world where your every click, like, and share can be tracked, how safe is your personal information? Imagine a life where your online activities are completely private. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to protecting your privacy online. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the importance of online privacy and common threats. We will also share practical tips to safeguard your personal information and the best tools available. Online privacy is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental right in the digital age. With the rise of data breaches and identity theft, understanding why privacy matters is crucial. Your personal information can be exploited by cybercriminals. Protecting this data helps prevent identity theft. When users feel their online activities are monitored, they may self-censor. Privacy allows individuals to express themselves freely. You should have the right to control who accesses your information and how it's used. This control is essential for maintaining autonomy. Recent studies show that many people are concerned about their online privacy, yet many do not take adequate steps to protect it. Now that we understand the importance of online privacy, let's delve into the common threats that can compromise it. Major companies often experience data breaches, exposing millions of users' personal information. Cybercriminals use deceptive emails and websites to trick users into providing personal information. Websites and apps often track user behavior through cookies and other tracking technologies. Using public Wi-Fi networks can expose your data to hackers. Without proper security measures, your information can be intercepted easily. Awareness of these threats is vital. By recognizing them, you can take proactive steps to protect yourself. Now, let's discuss practical tips to enhance your online privacy. Implementing these strategies can significantly reduce your risk. Create complex passwords for each of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message. Limit the amount of personal information you share online. Avoid oversharing on social media. Review and adjust the privacy settings on your social media accounts to control who can see your information. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data. By following these tips, you can create a more secure online presence and protect your personal information. Finally, let's explore some tools that can help you maintain your online privacy. Tools like LastPass or 1Password help you create and store strong passwords securely. Extensions like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger can block intrusive ads and trackers. Consider using browsers like Brave or Firefox, which prioritize user privacy and offer built-in tracking protection. Apps like Signal or Telegram provide end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your conversations remain private. Services like DeleteMe can help you remove your personal information from data broker sites. Utilizing these tools can significantly enhance your online privacy and give you peace of mind. In summary, protecting your privacy online is essential in today's digital world. By understanding the importance of privacy and recognizing common threats, you can safeguard your personal information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. What steps do you take to protect your privacy? Let us know in the comments below.